Okay, so here's a prototype of the welder. It just has 3 LEDs, red, blue, and white. And the controller is over here because it's covered. I don't want the red from that to get out. So I'm going to plug it in here, simulate inside a building, and plug it in. See if this records. And there's the welding. It may appear brighter than it really is on camera, I don't know. There's the glow. Strike, strike, strike. Ooh, it must be awful hot in there for the wee person. There it is. So, it's working okay. Now I need to move on to packaging it up. Catch you on the forum.